Hey, what's up? Popol as well. It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be checking out a tablet from ALLDOCUBE. This is the iPlay 60. So make sure you guys stay locked in because this is their updated tablet and it's going to offer some really cool upgrades and some like really premium features, especially for a really cost-effective price. And if you're the type of person who wants that bigger tablet size on your phone or your device, this will support sim support. So make sure you guys stay locked into the end of the video. If you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new, but if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So let's go ahead and take a look at it right here. This is right here, it says the ALLDOCUBE iPlay 60 mini turbo. So we're going to go ahead and check this out in a little bit more detail. This box is actually upgraded. It has some nice things, and it also did give you some accessories coming out of the box. So you get like a case, you also get a keyboard. Let's go ahead and take a look at this in a little bit more detail because I'm kind of curious to see what this is going to offer. But on the box, it's going to give you some of the specs. So on the back, it does say 8.4-inch Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 4K video decoding, as well as USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-C port. And then it's also going to support a 5,500 milliamp per hour battery. And it does say right here QC and PD support on here. So right now it is saying it's going to be 323 grams of weight. So let's go ahead and just take it out of the box real quick. I just want to do this quick unboxing and then we'll get into a review. I'm definitely going to be using this as like more of a cell phone and a gaming device at the same time. So it gives you that ability to use it as a gaming console because of the size of it in nature. Let's go ahead and take a look at the accessories right here on the side. All right, so you get this adapter for the smartphone on this side. There's also a charging cable inside the box as well, which is kind of cool. So they give you everything you need to charge it with. Then you have your charging cable inside on the other side right here. And so this does have a SIM remover tool inside of this, as well as Type A to Type C. So those are all of your accessories that you're getting right out of the box. And then let's go ahead and take the tablet out. It does feel really lightweight as well. So it has a little screen protector on it. It has a cold to the touch finish. So it has that cold feel in the hand, which is nice. And it also does have like a compact, feel in the hand. So it is that space gray color. It looks really good when it comes to the overall look of it. The very lightweight. As far as the ports, you get a Type-C at the top. You have your speaker here, a camera on the back, your power button, your volume rocker below it, and then you have a SIM slot right here to actually access your data and your SIM and stuff like that. So let's take this cover off of it right here. And it does give you a screen protector pre-installed, so if you get scratches, you won't have to worry. But you also do have your right here your user manual for the tablet as well. And then they do put some other accessories in here just so you get set up with a stylus, like a little rubber tip stylus. Then if you unscrew the other part right here, that there's nothing on that side. So I just kind of wanted to see what was on that side, but nothing on that side. Then they give you a pair of headphones with a 3.5 millimeter jack, and these headphones have like that AirPods look to them. And then you also have a adapter right here because this is going to have the USB 3.1. So that's going to be pretty cool. So a lot of stuff comes in the box. I just kind of want to clean up the desk a little bit and kind of, get everything organized right now. So yeah, so now we have our accessories right here. And so yeah, as far as holding the tablet in the hand, it does feel pretty lightweight. It's not going to gather fingerprints. Oils, I do see a little bit of oils when I put my hand on there, but they disappear within a matter of seconds. I'm going to go ahead, and this thing doesn't even have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, so those headphones that they put in there, it's good that they put them in there, but there's no actual headphone jack on here. So let's go ahead and get this thing started up. I'm gonna go ahead and power it on right now. And I'm actually excited to use this tablet. So it says right here, ALLDOCUBE powered by Android on this. And it's very slim, very small. They also did give us a case. The keyboard is a little bit bigger than the case. So, you know, you'll have a regular size keyboard with this one. So yeah, now it says right here, hi there. And I just kind of want to see what the case looks like. It says you could set up your Wi-Fi as well. It's just to set up offline and continue and hit, they're gonna ask us the day and everything like that. We could set that up all later as well. Let's just accept. Enter your PIN. So they want us to actually enter a PIN on the device. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. So I'm just gonna enter a 4-digit PIN. I'm pretty sure you could customize the haptics on this as well, but it does look like it's all set and the display does look like really good. So it is a, a full 19 by 20 1200 display. So it does give you some really good colors here. And first thing I notice is that upon the first touch, it just feels extremely responsive on this one. So this one is going to be awesome because of the processor in here. It's the Snapdragon now that we're getting, and the colors on this display, like the white looks really it looks really white. Like it's definitely, you can see it has really good color accuracy. Let's go to about tablet. For Android 14 right here, running on the November 1st 2023 with the June 5th 2024 Android security patch. It does say it's the turbo model in here. Let's go into display. You can see right here, we do have lift to wake on this device. We also have smart wake up, and we also have adaptive brightness. It doesn't look like we have 120 hertz refresh rate or 90, but I can just speak from using it right now. It doesn't, you won't even notice that it doesn't have that, the way how quick it's moving. So this thing does have some really cool, right here, if you go into wallpapers, you can see the wallpapers right here, and it'll give you the ability to adjust the home screen right here too. So you could always change the wallpaper, and right here it's going to show you, that's where you could do that. Looks like there's no, when I click on-screen wallpapers, no options here except for the one that they offer, but it's a really beautiful wallpaper, I'm not gonna lie. You also do get your app grid 6x5 or 6x4, and then if we go back, you can see that we actually have the mobile network on this one, so we can actually enter our SIM card as well to get internet and stuff and data on this. So this is going to be cool because it's going to have all your, so right here we have your Google apps, your camera app, and then you have your recorder, FM radio as well. And you have to plug in a headset to use the FM radio. It says this app right here, I'm not sure what this is, but this looks like, I don't even know, don't know what this is, but let's go ahead and stop that. You might have to just close that, but we'll get into that in a little bit more detail later on. But yeah, this is gonna have pretty much stock Android calculator app, and then it's pretty much Android, clean Android right out of the box. So it has the Android 14 pull down. Let's go right here, see the gestures. So you get your navigation options right here, 3-finger screenshot. Everything is just going to be really straightforward on this one. So yeah, I like this one. Stock Android, very clean, very nice to use. So yeah, it's going to be a sweet Android 14 tablet. If you long press, you get your home screen and desktop layout right here. Your settings right here for the launcher that they provide, and it's very straightforward. It does allow you to right here change the icons, it says right here. So you can customize them, make them bigger or more rounded. So it's up to you how you want to do it. But you see it's already changed it. And so yeah, this just has a really fast overall improved software I'm noticing when it comes to the feel of it. Let's open up a YouTube video and listen to the speakers. I'm gonna go ahead and connect to the internet because I didn't actually do that at first because I skipped it, but I'm gonna go ahead right here and enter my Wi-Fi password. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. But yeah, I might just use this as a regular, that's pretty much what I'm gonna use this as a regular phone because it fits extremely good in one hand. They also provide a case, which I wanna throw on here right now. And it does say it's actually connected to the internet right now. So let's go ahead and take a look at the YouTube so we can listen to the sound quality. So I don't know, what should I type? Let's just type 8K video. And so that's loading up right now. But yeah, the Turbo is gonna be a nice tablet. Like I definitely think it's gonna be solid when it comes to gaming and stuff like that. Here we go. So, you know, you can see the scrolling speeds. Very good scrolling on here. Just for the first time loading it up, everything seems to be loading up pretty quickly. Let's tap on one of these videos. Obviously it's gonna be an ad, so I'm gonna lower the volume real quick and then just wait for the ad to finish up. But I also wanna take a look at the cameras to see if there's any improvements there as well, because ALLDOCUBE, one thing that I did notice about all their tablets is there's always an improvement from one model to another. So they don't do like, they might do like upgrades, but it's always an improvement. So 2160. So yeah, we can actually get 4K out on these tablets, which is awesome. So this video, I don't know if it's gonna do it justice on the screen that I'm looking at, but you can see it is loading up. And that's how big the display will look. It does look pretty punchy. I'm just waiting for it to load up. But right here, you can see the picture, everything. It usually does glitch out on the first video that you select, but as soon as you click another one, it's just very clean. Like right now, you can see it's no issues whatsoever. So yeah, that beautiful colors. This thing has gorgeous colors. Let's turn up the brightness. All right, so YouTube, you know, this is just starting up, so that's obviously gonna happen. And so yeah, it's just doing an update or something like that, but whatever. Let's go into the camera. And I'm gonna take a couple of pictures with it. It has a new layout, so it says right here, you can select right here, it says select scene mode for better pictures right there. And then you can, right here it says, okay, video HFR, photo and pro mode. You could flip it to the front and it does have a pretty cool front. I like how the layout of this is pretty cool. So let me show you guys. Face detection is on here. Countdown timer, picture size right here. So 5 megapixels on the front. But the way that they did the layout, I really like this layout. Let's go back. And you can obviously change the filters right here. They have none, mono, sepia, negative, solarize, posterize, and aqua. Let's go into the main camera and see what this is looking like. So if I just point it down right now, it has some pretty good autofocus. So I just took a shot. Let's do a little bit higher up. Let's put it on the this mode, the HD, the HFR mode. Wow, that gets really close up on that mode. So you can zoom on that mode. It looks really good. A lot of detail on that image. Okay, so this is like a video mode, obviously. So that's the video mode. Let me hit stop. And then this is the real video mode. So HFR is video as well. So you get 2 video modes on here. Let's go into the video mode settings. And right here, you can see we got 1080 as well as 4K Ultra HD quality on here. So this is pretty crazy because we can actually shoot in 4K on this tablet, which is crazy. And then we can also adjust the audio. And so this is like this tablet, like I said, they always give you some new features when it comes to their tablets. And this one, yeah, they gave you some new features with the camera, some of the new features overall with the chipset. So yeah, this is definitely going to be a solid improvement. But if you're still here, just type down below, I'm still here. So I know you're still kicking it with me. I'm definitely going to be checking this out in some more detail, so make sure you guys stay locked in. I'm just checking to see if there is like facial ID on here. So let's go into security, and if you go into the device unlock, it's only screen unlock right here for the pin. So you don't have facial unlock on this one. It has swipe pattern password. So yeah, the iPlay 50 Mini Pro, I think, had, you know, facial recognition on that one, but this one you do get, you know, they had to, you know, cut back in one area or another to give us some more premium features, and I'm okay with that. That's fine. I always use it most of the time anyway. So yeah, this is going to be a really solid device. I'm looking forward to making this my main device when I put my SIM card in here. But make sure you guys stay locked in for more videos just like this. Let's turn the dark theme mode on. And if you're still here, let me know down below. Just you know, hit the like button to show your support and appreciation. And I'm gonna check you guys on the next video. Later, crew.